Here are the finger drums. A desktop portable finger drum set. Let's turn them on. Got a port here, an out port. You can plug in like a portable speaker if you wanted to. Battery compartment on the bottom here. You got a couple functions here. Power, demo, start, hard to make out, record, and playback. So if you hit the demo button, it's going to go through a couple things. So that was a couple of the demo things that are built in there, and then I turned it off and turned it back on. But so you can also just, really what most people are going to want to do is free play here, drum. Pretty responsive. The only things that can get lost is if you kind of want to drum really fast, right? Like, it's hard to get those rolls. And the hi-hat's hard sometimes, doesn't always register. See, if I just tap it a little. Gotta make sure you really give it a good, gotta give it a good solid hit. This also, the snare. And depending on how fast you can go, could get lost, could get muffled. But other than that, you'll see that they light up. You can also record your own track here. So if you come down and you hit the record button, let's see, and then we hit play. it's pretty cool. You can record some tracks, play for later. And then just from the other side, you could see things light up. Overall, I mean, it's fun. The novelty of it, it sort of wears out, right? After you've played with it for a little bit, but if you leave it on your desk, you know, in between calls or whatever, you might just attack it sometimes and have some fun with it. Pick this guy up on Amazon. They're around. There's a couple different versions of it out there. I recommend going with the original one, and not a lot of the knockoffs, because you really got to have the right sensitivity, or you're going to run into a lot of problems with these things and you're going to get frustrated. And that is the finger drums.